Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I install a stool jack into my Decathlon Airseconds inflatable tent. It's a crucial addition for those cold camping adventures. So, stick around to see how I get this done. The first step is to ensure safety. I'm going to use a fireproof mat to protect the floor of my tent. Placing this mat underneath the stool will prevent any sparks or embers from escaping when I open the stove door. Safety always comes first, especially in a confined space like a tent. Now, let's find the perfect spot for our stool and tent. It's important to think this through. I have decided on a location that allows for easy access to the bedroom, which is essential. Placing the stool in the wrong spot could make things a bit cramped. Next, I will mark the spot where the stool pipe will exit the tent. This is a crucial step to ensure a precise installation. I put the stool jack exactly where I marked. I'm using stool jack with Velcro tape. Alright, now it's time to cut out the tent window. Be careful with this step and take your time to ensure a clean cut. Now we are going to cut the hole for the stool pipe in the fireproof stool jack. Here is a little trick. Don't try to cut a perfect circle. Instead, find the center, gently draw a cross with a knife, and then modify it into a circle. This method gives you a more precise result. Now, the only things left to do is to pop it into the stool jack opening and test the pipe to make sure it fits. It's not a perfect fit as you can see, but I think it's not a big problem. Thank you for watching this video. I made it to give you an idea of how to set up a stool in a tent. And I hope you found it useful. My tent is now ready for our next camping adventure. And I will be sure to share my experiences with this setup in the next video. If you have any experience with stool in tents, please share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of knowledge and help others who are considering using a stool in their tent. Until next time, happy camping!